Okay, we have a TRAK CNC Toolroom Lathe, model TRL 1745P, serial number 98-7451. This machine was new in 1998, and we're going to run it for you. Machine has a PROTO TRAK LX2 control. Right now he's running it with the joystick. He's rapiding it from left to right. Also the cross slide. You can see the control acts as a DRO in manual mode. He's using a hand wheels, which are digital. That's the X. Machine has a D16 CAMLOCK spindle. We have a BTC 8-inch 3-jaw chuck on there. We're at 385. You have 12 different speeds. Spindle brake. So low speed goes from 40 up to 2200 RPM. Machine also has a quick change tool post. Another low speed. Another speed. 100 RPM. Okay. That's your tailstock. You have the chuck guard. Right now he's moving the tailstock. It's a number 4 Morse taper with 6 1/4 inch travel. The machine is original paint. Machine's in nice shape. Hey, thank you for watching our video.